Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use tweened frames in stick nodes. First, understand that tweening fills in the gaps between your main animation poses. This powerful tool helps create incredibly smooth motion without drawing every single frame yourself. It's perfect for achieving professional-looking results efficiently. We'll cover how to enable it, adjust settings, and integrate it into your workflow for dynamic animations. To begin, open your Stick Nodes project and navigate to the project settings. Here, you'll find the crucial Tweened Frames option. Make sure to toggle this feature on. You can also adjust your project's frame rate, perhaps to 24 or 30 frames per second, to complement the tweening effect. Experiment with these settings to find what works best for your specific animation style and desired smoothness. When applying tweening, focus on creating strong, clear keyframes for your character's main actions. Think of these as the start and end points of a movement. The tweening engine will then generate the in-between frames. Don't be afraid to make your keyframes distinct. This gives the tweening more information to work with. Always preview your animation to check the flow and make any necessary adjustments to your keyframes. For the best results, maintain a consistent frame rate throughout your project, perhaps 24 frames per second, to ensure smooth playback. Also, explore the different interpolation settings available. These can dramatically change how your tweened frames look, offering various styles from linear to eased movements. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and your animations will look incredible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.